Look, every time I make a video about cryptocurrency, the market increases by $500 billion. So here's to another 500 billion. To those of you who invested in cryptocurrency previous to this video, you're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reese, and in today's video, I am showing you step by step how to purchase cryptocurrency. In this video in particular, I'm going to be using CoinSpot as my example exchange, where you can buy, sell, trade, and swap cryptocurrency. In the description below, I have left links to other exchanges which are also popular. Just as a quick disclaimer, the links to Coinbase and CoinSpot are both referral links. If you do use them to create an account and deposit funds into them, you will receive $10 of Bitcoin, as will I, which is a nice little win for the both of us for simply signing up. And away we go. The first thing you're going to do is scroll down into the description below and click on that red subscribe button and that like button. I had to throw it in there. And then what you're going to do is click on the CoinSpot link, the Coinbase link, or the Gemini link. I think they are the three that I have linked below. If you don't want to use one of them, feel free to Google search any of the other exchanges that you plan to use. The process will be very similar. So once you get to the sign up page, you're going to want to fill out your details on the sign up page as requested by the exchange, and then create an account. From there again, verify your email so that your account is verified, and away you go. So then on the homepage of the exchange, log in and click on Dashboard. This is where you will see an overview of the cryptocurrencies you are currently holding and how they have performed over the previous days, months, and years. From here, you are going to want to click on Deposit Funds, and there are a few deposit methods. Just note that you will not be able to deposit more than $2,000 until you provide a valid form of ID to prove who you say you are. You can increase this limit to up to $100,000 at any time after you have done that. To deposit money, use any of the payment methods available. Just make sure to read each of them as some charge a fee to deposit funds into the account. I can't stress this one enough. When you are going to deposit money into your account or withdraw it out of your account, you must check the numbers for mistakes. Triple check them. It is important. You will make mistakes. Just for reference, I have used both Poly and direct deposit to deposit funds into CoinSpot. Understand that the funds might not appear straight away, might take a couple of hours to go through, especially if high volumes of money are coming in based on all these new people creating accounts using my referral link. Just kidding. But seriously, it may take up to a few hours to appear in the account, so don't be alarmed if the money doesn't show up straight away. All right, you should now have money in your account. In my instance, it will be in AUD, and now we can actually buy coins and tokens that we want to invest in. So what you're going to do is head to either the Wallets tab or the Buy and Sell tab. If you know what you want to purchase, search in the search bar and select it. If you are looking to do some research, I suggest you use a website called CoinMarketCap to look at different types of cryptos listed on these exchanges and to get an idea of what they are and what they're trading at. Just one quick note is that CoinMarketCap is in US dollars, so it tracks all of the cryptocurrencies in US dollars. If you are using CoinSpot as part of watching this video, it tracks in AUD. Keep in mind that there will be differences in the prices based on the currencies that they are being tracked in. From here, you are going to put in the amount you want to purchase and select buy. And congratulations, you have just purchased cryptocurrency. You can now swap it for other coins, sell it and hold it as you wish. And just note that there are some more involved steps with trading and transferring your cryptocurrencies, but that's for another video. You also should note that in Australia, you will be required to pay tax on this cryptocurrency the moment you sell it, even if you sell it for another cryptocurrency. The second that you basically destroy the original transaction by selling some, swapping some, whatever it is that you're doing other than moving it to a wallet, you will be liable to pay tax if you are caught doing something dodgy by the ATO. Keep that in mind. I suggest getting educated in the topic of capital gains tax. I do have a video coming out in the near future. Stay tuned for it, but I do suggest understanding and becoming familiar with what capital gains tax is, because realistically, if your cryptocurrency goes to the moon, you are probably going to have to pay capital gains tax on that gain. Just be aware of it. Don't try and rot the system. they will catch you. Just also note that if you have created an account on one of these platforms, they offer a range of extra security measures you can take to secure your account. basically you don't want your money to disappear. So making it as secure as possible is a great idea. The first thing I would recommend doing is adding two-factor authentication. This is a super simple thing to do, and it makes your account that much more secure. On CoinSpot in particular, to add two-factor, just go to the My Account tab, click on security, and then click on two-factor. All you're going to do is basically link up a phone number that every time you log on, you might get a text with a passphrase or a number, which allows you to prove that you are the only person receiving that information to log onto your account. So if someone else tries to log on somewhere else in the world, they won't get that code text to them or message to them. They won't be able to log on. While you're in the security tab, also add a phishing phrase to your account. Now, what a phishing phrase is when you go to log in, it will be present when you're logging in. And that phrase should be something that's familiar to you. So as an example, let's say your dog's name is Charlie. I don't have a dog, don't try and hack me. But if your dog's name is Charlie and that's what you put as your phishing phrase, what phishing phrases are basically designed to do is that, let's say you type in CoinSpot on Google and you click on the top result and it's not actually CoinSpot. Let's say it's hackers who have set up a website to get your login details so they can then go and log in to your account on the actual website. A phishing phrase is inserted to basically show you that you are on the correct website. Meaning if your phishing phrase is different, do not try and log on. You are in the wrong place. Someone is trying to hack you. Has it happened to me before? Personally, no, but I like the extra level of security. And the final thing I would do while you're in the security tab is change your timeout session to less than 4 hours. Realistically, if you walk away from your computer, someone's aware of it and then come up behind you, within 4 hours or less than 4 hours, it will automatically log you out of your account, requiring you to have to log in again. This again is another measure of security, which just adds more to the safety of your account and your money. If it grows anything like my investment has over the past couple of months, this is an absolutely important thing to have on your account. If your portfolio grows a lot, like the kind of numbers mine has, like I said, in the past couple of months, I am now holding my crypto in a offline wallet to make sure that it is secure as hell. That's for another video. Just understand that securing your account is important. Another important feature to note is that once you do purchase cryptocurrencies, deposit funds, you can see all of the information that has taken place. So you can see how much you've deposited, when you deposited it. It's all accessible on the platform. You can also see what you've purchased, how much you purchased it for, and what the trading price of that crypto was at the time that you purchased it. It's useful information, especially for an accountant one day if you eventually sell it for a profit. Good luck on your crypto journey. You are going to need it based on how volatile the market is. I do need to throw it in there. I know you've heard it 1,000 times before, but invest at your own risk. You are never guaranteed to make money, and that it is a risky thing to do. Only invest money you are willing to lose. And that's pretty much it. Overall, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was insightful. If I helped you out in learning how to purchase cryptocurrency, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate the support. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.